This is Antidote, a global device manufacturer. This is Alex, Antidote's Chief Marketing Officer, and he's tasked with figuring out how to add more value to the company's flagship devices. Alex knows that his company's hardware devices are becoming commoditized. Customers are demanding more value and that he needs new points of differentiation. Hardware alone won't get his company where it needs to be. Implementing a software strategy is critical to his company's success. Many of Antidote's customers are being courted by the competition, who have already started to add value through software. Antidote needs to leap ahead of the competition and stop giving away software. The company needs to rethink its business model. It needs to become both a device manufacturer and a software producer. Alex has a lot to consider, so he starts by focusing on two key initiatives. First, he has to simplify manufacturing by shipping one device with features that can be turned on and off electronically. This way, they can reduce inventory, create configure-to-order options, and open up more post-sale upsell opportunities. Second, he needs to create new and recurring revenue streams by adding value through software. He knows he needs to both protect and monetize their software to do this. He knew he had to get the company on board, so he presented his ideas to the executive team, and after some very candid discussions about the state of the market, everyone was in agreement. New software operations and processes needed to be established to support their software initiatives. He needed technology to manage software licenses and customers' use rights. But should he build a proprietary solution from scratch, heavily customize his ERP system, or buy technology to support his needs? So many decisions. Alex needed help. After researching his options, he brought in Flexera Software to help him implement his company's software monetization strategy. Working closely with them, it soon became evident to Alex that his company did not have the expertise to automate and manage essential software lifecycle business processes. Luckily, Flexera Software could provide him with the best solution. With Flexera Software Solutions, Alex was able to instrument his devices with licensing to enable him to electronically turn features on and off, ensure that customers weren't using more than they were entitled to, capture new revenue from cross-sells, upsells, and new software offerings, all while providing their customers with 24/7 self-service of their licenses. And the benefits kept coming, as he realized they could automatically send software and firmware messages, updates, and critical security fixes to devices when needed, something that Alex had not even considered. Most importantly, Antidote now has a software monetization infrastructure that will scale with the business and enable them to react quickly to market changes, something they would likely not have achieved had they developed their own proprietary systems. With smart decisions like partnering with Flexera Software, Alex turned a threat into an opportunity. And now that his device-related software is protected and monetized, he's ready to tackle the Internet of Things. He knows that Flexera Software will help him achieve his goals of creating new value and revenue from Antidote's connected devices to capitalize on this growing market. The possibilities are endless.